The construction of Kakulo Kabaka hydropower plant project in Angola, undertaken by China Gear Jobar Group Company, is in full swing. The project is located in the middle reach of the Kwanza River, a large freshwater body with many tributaries and abundant hydroenergy potential.
We are very concerned that Angola accounts for almost 5% of the overall water in the continent, but still a lot of, like a big stake of our population, still they don't have access to clean water.
According to the CGGC, upon completion, the project is expected to meet more than 50% of Angola's electricity needs. Over the past decade, a number of Chinese companies have helped Angola to build hydropower stations, drought relief projects, and water supply facilities. The water supply project constructed by China Railway Construction Corporation in Cabinda Province was completed in June this year. It is comprised of 74 centralized water supply points, covering 24,000 households in Cabinda or 92% of the province's residential areas. The system is capable of supplying water 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, and will greatly relieve water shortage facing local industries, schools, port transportation and others.
Antigamente tínhamos que ir ao poço distante para buscar. Agora a nossa casa e podemos ter água da torneira limpa e segura todos os dias. A nossa vida está ficando cada vez melhor com a nossa água potável. Estamos tudo pela força e a coragem a servir.
They're helping us a lot, the Chinese companies in the water sector, and we would like them to even invest more.